Imagine waking up to an AI assistant that knows exactly what you need before you even say a word. Your fridge orders groceries before they run out. Your car drives you to work without touching the wheel. Your doctor, an AI that detects diseases years before symptoms appear. Sounds like science fiction. Think again. In 2025, AI is about to change everything. But is this a future of endless possibilities? Or a dangerous path where machines outthink humans? Stay with me as we dive deep into the future of artificial intelligence and how it will reshape our world. AI is evolving faster than ever. AI is growing at an exponential rate. In just the past year, we've seen ChatGPT break records, Google's Gemini redefine search, and Tesla's Optimus robots start performing real-world tasks. But 2025, that's where things get truly mind-blowing. AI-powered personal assistants will be smarter than ever, understanding emotions, predicting decisions, and handling complex tasks with minimal human input. Autonomous AI will reshape industries from self-driving taxis, hitting the roads in major cities, to robots replacing customer service jobs. AI in healthcare will save lives. New AI models will diagnose cancer earlier, create personalized medicine, and even assist in complex surgeries. But here's where it gets even crazier. AI versus humans, the big debate. With great power comes great responsibility. And with AI, that responsibility is massive. Experts are warning about AI replacing millions of jobs, from factory workers to software developers. Elon Musk OpenAI, and even world governments are debating AI regulation before it spirals out of control. And then there's the question no one wants to ask: will AI become smarter than humans? The scary part: AI is already learning on its own. Some models are developing skills even their creators didn't predict. So, where does that leave us? The future AI in everyday life. Let's make this personal. How will AI actually change your life? Work and business: AI will automate tasks, making work more efficient, but also eliminating traditional jobs. Education: AI tutors will provide personalized learning, making human teachers less necessary. Entertainment: AI-generated movies, music, and even influencers will dominate social media. Security and privacy: AI-powered surveillance will track everything. But at what cost to our privacy? One thing is certain: ignoring AI is no longer an option. It's coming, whether we're ready or not. Final segment: the big question, what happens next? So, here's the million-dollar question: is AI leading us toward a utopia or a dystopia? Will it help humanity solve its greatest problems? Or will it spiral out of control, leaving humans powerless against machines? One thing's for sure: 2025 is just the beginning. And if you want to stay ahead of the AI revolution, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Because the future, it's happening faster than we ever imagined. Drop a comment below. Are you excited or scared about AI's future? Let's discuss.